Hi, my name is Elwa Saleh and welcome to the L'Oréal Paris channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make your lashes look longer using one of my go-to mascaras, the L'Oréal Extensionist Mascara. If you've ever wondered how to apply a lengthening mascara the right way for that extended lifted lash look, this video is going to be for you. And also make sure to stay to the very end because I'll be sharing my top pro tips to make lashes look longer, lifted, curlier without any falsies. This right here is the L'Oréal Extensionist Mascara, and here is why I love it. It gives you that 5+ mm lash extension effect, which literally gets your lashes up to your brows. Like, my lashes look so long right now. It has a sculpting comb brush with over 300 bristles that separates, curls, and lifts each lash for up to 24 hours. So, how does it work? It has these magnetic pigments and lengthening fibers that grip together to give that extreme lash extension look. And I love it because I don't have to wear falsies. I dislike the process of using glue on my lashes and applying falsies. This is perfect to replace that. Alright, so let's get into how to apply a lengthening mascara for that elongated, fluttery lash look. Step 1, you would think that you need to curl your lashes with this, but this already does the job. It curls and lifts all at the same time. This instantly lifts the lashes without a curler. One of my favorite features is that it has a lash sculpting comb. It contains 308 bristles on this comb to precisely catch each and every lash for up to 24 hours. On to applying it. I like to sometimes wiggle from the base and then rotate it outwards or upwards. So I like to take the wand and starting right at the base of my lashes, I wiggle or rotate the brush as I pull upward. This tip is so important because it helps to coat every lash and gives that extended lash length. The biggest tip I would say is to not rush, like never rush. Going slow helps build definition and separates each lash, especially with this comb brush. And then I like to also use the tip to flare out the lashes and then for the bottom to separate everything. The next step is to focus on the outer corners. I like doing a lifted cat eye effect. I like to concentrate the wand on the outer portion of my eyelashes and I add extra product on the outer lashes. I pull them outward to really elongate my eye shape. A very important step is to layer strategically. I allow the first coat to dry for about 20 seconds and then I go in with the second coat and possibly a third and fourth coat, depending on the occasion. And the reason why I allow 20 seconds for that mascara to dry is because it prevents clumps. We want length and no clumps. This is how it looks with one layer. And this is how it looks with my second layer and third layer. This is everything. Another tip is I like to use the tip of the wand vertically to get those tiny inner lashes and the lower lashes as well. Another pro tip is to skip heavy liners. For me, I feel like heavy eyeshadows and heavy liners take away from my lashes. So as you can tell, my lashes or my lids are bare and the main focus is on my lashes. And there you have it. Lashes that look longer, lifted, and bolder using one product. Also, the mascara has been on for about 4 hours under this crazy lighting. There is no flaking and no transferring. I have to be very specific when it comes to mascaras because I wear contact lenses and a lot of them out there irritate my eyes. However, this one is perfect. There is no irritation with this mascara. The L'Oréal Extensionist Mascara seriously delivers that lash extension look with zero fuss. No falsies needed. Here's my before and after. If you want to learn more about this mascara and where to buy, head to l'orealparisusa.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.